It's apartment B.
This lady's dog got bitten by the neighbor's dog, so she showed up at their door absolutely furious. But you won't believe the neighbor's reaction.
I'm coming about my dog. The dogs I got to go. They attacked my dogs, they got to go. I have insurance on my dogs. I don't know if you do, but the dog's gonna have to go today. If not, I will do something to him. That dog shouldn't have been loose. It has to be on a leash.
Miss Miriam, I need you to separate yourself from her.
I'm gonna hurt this because this is not the first running I had with her. I don't know that. I got $1,200 dog. You got some motherfucking bullshit. Yeah, right, I'm in your face. Hey, I'm a fucking no fuck you.
No. Hey, don't you hit me.
Fucking hoe.
Why the f*** you hit me?